I would like to introduce you to WORKNC in 3 minutes. WORKNC is an easy-to-use CAM software geared for complex 3D machining. The typical WORKNC customer manufactures plastic injection molds, stamping dies, patterns, or anything with a complicated 3D shape. WORKNC is capable of 2D milling and drilling, 3 and 3+2 milling, along with 5-axis simultaneous milling. WORKNC's interface allows the user to create reliable toolpaths with just a few clicks. We take the guesswork out of programming by utilizing optimized toolpaths that work off of the 3D model. This results in less input from the programmer. WORKNC has first-in-class collision detection capabilities, from tool holder collision detection to tool holder collision avoidance to full machine simulation and collision detection. This allows the user to program with the shortest tool possible, resulting in faster machine times and better surface finish. All of these checks combined allow the user to be confident in the code they're sending to the machine. Most CAM softwares on the market do not have toolpaths designed for circle segment cutters. WORKNC has customized strategies that fully support these types of tools in 3-axis as well as full 5-axis simultaneous machining. When it comes to 5-axis programming, WORKNC makes it easy. We split our 5-axis into 2 categories. On one side, we do traditional 5-axis toolpathing like driving a cutter normal to surface, normal to a profile, or parallel with the side of the tool. This is the 5-axis typically found in the aerospace industry. For the mold and die side, we have the Auto 5 strategy. Auto 5 is a 3 to 5-axis conversion done by WORKNC to allow the programmer to get a short cutter down a steep wall. As the programmer, I only need to make my 3-axis toolpath, apply my holder, choose the 5-axis strategy that I would like, and WORKNC handles the rest. It is the easiest 5-axis on the market to use today. For more information, please visit our website at worknc.com. Thank you.